Ontario restarts OINP selections with 2,000 plus invitations in 48 hours. Ontario has officially restarted OINP draws after more than 2 months, and within just 2 days, the province issued over 2,000 invitations. This sudden surge signals a major shift in how Ontario plans to select newcomers heading into 2026. Let's break down the numbers, who was picked, and which NOC codes were targeted. On December 10th and 11th, Ontario issued a total of 2,049 invitations to apply under the employer job offer streams. These draws focused entirely on people already living in Canada, holding a valid Ontario job offer, and registered in the EOI system. The selections targeted healthcare, education, skilled trades, and specific regions facing labor shortages. 10th December, occupation-specific selections. Ontario issued 1,133 invitations across 5 separate draws under Employer Job Offer, Foreign Worker, Employer Job Offer, International Student, Employer Job Offer, In-Demand Skills, and 2 major selection groups were highlighted. REDI Pilot, a regional economic development through immigration. Targeted census divisions included Lanark, Leeds, and Grenville. Foreign Worker Stream, REDI ITAs issued 29. Minimum score 45. Targeted NOC codes included 11202, 12200, 13110, 31120, 31301, 32101, 33102, 72310, 72401, 72422, 82030. Healthcare and Early Childhood Educators. Foreign Worker Stream, a healthcare and ECE ITAs issued 398. Minimum score 49. NOC codes included 31300, 31301, 31302, 31303, 32101, 33102, 42202. Profile creation window 2nd July to 9th December 2025. International Student Stream 10th December. REDI selections ITAs issued 33. Minimum score 63. NOC codes targeted 10019, 11101, 12200, 13110, 21233, 22310, 22311, 33102, 33103, 42202, 72100, 72310, 72400, 72410, 73110, 73200, 92012. Healthcare and ECE ITAs issued 659. Minimum score 73. NOC codes targeted 31300, 31301, 31302, 31303, 32101, 33102, 42202. Profile creation window 2nd July to 10th December 2025. In-Demand Skills Stream 10th December. REDI selections ITAs issued 14. Minimum score 30. NOC codes targeted 44101, 75101, 94100, 94140, 94201, 94202, 95106. 11th December. Region-based selections. Ontario issued 916 additional invitations, focusing on candidates with job offers in Eastern Ontario, Northern Ontario, Southwestern Ontario, Central Ontario, excluding GTA, Eastern Ontario. Foreign Worker Stream minimum score 54. NOC codes targeted included 00012, 00013, 10010, 10012, 10019, 10022, 11200, 11201, 12013, 12100, 12102, 12111, 13100, 13112, 20010, 20012, 21222, 31202, 32111, 32122, 32124, 33100, 33109, 40030, 41200, 70012, 80020, 92100. Eastern Ontario International Student Stream. Minimum score 77. NOC codes targeted 10010, 10019, 10022, 11200, 12011, 12013, 12100, 12102, 12111, 13100, 13112, 20012, 30010, 31202, 31203, 32120, 32124, 33100, 41300, 41321, 92100. Eastern Ontario In-Demand Skills Stream. Minimum score 30. NOC code targeted 44101. Total OINP invitations in 2025. Ontario has issued 12,528 invitations this year. Breakdown by stream. Employer job offer. Foreign worker 4,860. Employer job offer. International student 6,605. Employer job offer. In-demand skills 1,063. Masters graduate 0. PhD graduate 0. Entrepreneur 0. The employer job offer pathway clearly remains Ontario's top priority for 2025. Upcoming changes. Ontario proposes major OINP restructuring. Ontario is considering a complete redesign of its nomination system, potentially rolling out in phases. Phase 1. Combine all employer job offer streams into a single pathway. Phase 2. Introduce 3 entirely new streams: Priority Healthcare Stream, Entrepreneur Stream, Exceptional Talent Stream. No confirmed launch dates yet, but the restructuring could significantly change how candidates qualify in 2026. Conclusion. These December draws make one thing clear. Ontario is doubling down on job-ready candidates with strong employer ties, especially in healthcare, essential services, and regional occupations. If you are planning to apply under the OINP, this is one of the most important updates of the year. This is the end of today's video update. We hope you found it helpful. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest Canada immigration news.